Welcome to our channel Travel Charms. Today, we are setting off on our adventure to one of the most stunning islands of Spain. Of course, it's Tenerife, the jewel of the Canary archipelago. Tenerife is the perfect place for all types of travelers, whether they are adventure enthusiasts, nature lovers, or those seeking tranquil beach relaxation or poolside lounging. We will tell you about the most interesting places on the island that are definitely worth visiting. Why did we choose the spring month of May? Since May is the best time to travel, the abundance of tourists in the summer will not make the vacation comfortable. Overpriced services and too high air temperatures. May in Tenerife is a time of mild and comfortable climate. The temperature ranges from 22 to 26 degrees. The ocean has already warmed up, and you can safely plan swimming and water activities. The water temperature is 20 to 22 degrees. Yes, it's not Greece, but swimming in the ocean is different from the sea, and even in the summer, the water temperature rarely rises above 24 degrees. The beaches are not crowded, which allows you to enjoy nature in solitude. This month, the island comes alive and blooms, creating an unforgettable atmosphere for travelers. We chose accommodation through booking. We decided to stay in the Costa Adeje, Santa Cruz area, as it is less windy there. It was very sunny, perfect for sunbathing and swimming in the pool. If you are choosing a hotel or house with a pool, make sure the pool is heated. This is especially important in the spring and autumn months, as the water was quite cool for us. In El Médano, there is often wind with fine sand, which can spoil your vacation. Consider this when choosing a hotel or villa. To get around the island, it's best to rent a car, especially since rental prices are very affordable. It's very convenient to reach any point on the island. Our first destination, of course, was Mount Teide. Mount Teide is the heart of Tenerife, with Teide National Park surrounding the majestic volcano of the same name. Not only is it the highest point in Spain at 3,718 meters, but also one of the main attractions of the island. You can ascend the volcano by cable car to enjoy views that stretch far beyond the island, and on a clear day, even see other Canary islands. This is a volcano where you can see lava and spend a few hours in extraordinary nature that resembles other planets. The bizarre rocks frozen by lava look very unusual. If you are an outdoor enthusiast, you can go hiking in the park, discovering amazing volcanic landscapes, rare plants, and breathtaking views. At night, Teide becomes one of the best places on the planet for stargazing. You will be able to see thousands of stars in the crystal clear sky. The second place, very interesting and a must visit. This is, of course, Loro Parque, an encounter with wildlife and animals in Puerto de la Cruz, considered one of the best zoos in the world. Here, you will find unforgettable shows with orcas, dolphins, and sea lions. The park is also famous for its collection of exotic birds and other rare animals. Special attention should be paid to the tropical gardens and the underwater aquarium. Beaches of Tenerife. From golden sand to black volcanic shores, after active adventures, it's time to relax on one of Tenerife's beautiful beaches. Let's start with Las Teresitas Beach, one of the few beaches on the island with golden sand brought from the Sahara. This beach is located near the capital Santa Cruz de Tenerife and is perfect for a relaxing rest. Playa de las Teresitas is a spacious white sandy beach in the north of Tenerife. It is a beach where Tenerife locals meet with family and friends to spend the day together. The water here is very calm, and the beach offers many amenities, including numerous beach bars and cafes. For surfing and water sports enthusiasts, we recommend heading to the beaches of Costa Adeje or El Médano, which are known for their conditions for active recreation. Not far from El Médano, there is a very unique place. Playa Amarilla is famous for its impressive yellow cliffs and contrasting dark blue waters, making it a favorite spot for photographers and nature lovers. Additionally, you can head to more secluded beaches with black volcanic sand, such as Playa Jardín or Playa de Benijo, where nature seems completely untouched. Another unique place is Roque de las Bodegas. It is a beautiful beach located in the northeastern part of Tenerife, near the village of Tacanana, in the Anaga Natural Park. This beach is known for its black volcanic sand and wild waves of the Atlantic Ocean, making it a popular spot for surfing enthusiasts and nature lovers. The main features are the black sands. Like many beaches in the north of Tenerife, it is also covered with black sands. We also visited the town of Los Gigantes. It is a resort town surrounded by restaurants on the west coast. Its main feature is the giant rock formations that rise above the sea to a height of 500 to 800 meters, from which the town was named. Los Gigantes means giants. Our next destination is the Basilica de Candelaria. This is a temporary religious center located in the mountains. The basilica is dedicated to the Virgin Mary, who is the patroness of the Canary Islands and is one of the most visited sanctuaries in Spain. The basilica is built in a colonial style. Its white walls and tall bell towers make it noticeable. Basilica de Candelaria is a temporary religious center dedicated to the Virgin Mary of the Canary Islands, who is the patroness of the Canary Islands and one of the most visited shrines in Spain. The basilica is built in colonial style. Its snow-white walls and tall bell tower make it noticeable from different points of the city. Inside, you can see carved wooden altars and many images. No journey, of course, is complete without acquaintance with local cuisine, and Tenerife is no exception. Here you can try dishes made from fresh seafood, such as swordfish or octopus, traditional Canarian potato dishes, papas arrugadas with mojo sauce, and sweets made from tropical fruits. We tried locally produced cheese, but it did not impress us much. Tenerife is an island where everyone can find something for themselves, from beaches and volcanoes to wildlife and cultural attractions. In May, and most likely in autumn as well, this island is especially beautiful and peaceful, making it an ideal place for an unforgettable journey. Tenerife is an island where everyone can find something for themselves, from beaches and volcanoes to wildlife and cultural attractions. In May, this island was especially beautiful, making it an ideal place for an unforgettable journey. Subscribe to our channel to explore the amazing corners of the planet with us and not miss new videos. We wish you unforgettable journeys and wonderful emotions.